Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Emmanuel Manny and this is Effulgent Design. What's up guys, welcome back to another video of mine. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do a lot of reno makeovers. If you want some suggestions, tips, or even my help with one of your projects, just hit me up on Instagram, DM me. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Alright, so today I'm working on one of my acquaintances / friends' rooms. He saw my last transformation and he asked me for a little bit of help. So the first step that I usually like to take when I'm helping someone with their room or with the design is to ask them for pictures of inspos or things that they like. So that way I can kind of grasp little details in the rooms that'll help me create a mock-up for their room. So for his room, he wanted something dark, so dark colors, grays, blacks, like hunter greens, dark greens, just like very dark wood tones. So these are the pictures he provided me. I replied to him with a few other pictures. Some of them very boho inspired, very like chic vintage looks, but they all incorporated these dark colors. And he came back and said, well, I do like a lot of these, but more minimal. So today we're here with Fabian. I'm gonna have him describe more or less what he would like in his room and his style, and then kind of reveal to him the mock-up that I created and go from there. We're not seeing eye to eye. I think it's because we have very different styles. That's why I'm gonna be asking him for feedback, and then you guys can just follow along with that. So Fabian, if you don't mind explaining to them kind of what your style is.
Alright, so my style is very like simple, very clean cut. A little bit of the what was it? The term that we use?
So he likes like mid-century modern or like modern Scandinavian, but very minimalist. He's not big on like a lot of plants or a lot of accessories and frames and whatnot.
Yeah.
So
or like a lot of color. I like very like beige, blacks, whites.
Right, neutrals or patterns. Do you like patterns?
I like some patterns. It can be,
but not a patterned rug.
All over the. I mean, a pattern rug I wouldn't mind, but not like.
For him, I created a few mock-ups and I had my sister help me because I was sending him different products and he wasn't giving me the reaction that I was expecting. So I asked my sister for help because she's a little bit more simplistic, and this is it.
Oh, so that's nice. Okay.
So I thought I didn't want to do a TV stand because I think it's so generic. If you want to do that, we can. I created a mock-up for it, but I thought like finding a cute fireplace or making one would be nice, but that's also why I freaked out when I walked into the room because I'm like, holy shit, like how much space is the fireplace going to take up?
Fireplace? Like
no, it doesn't have to be like a real one. Just like the actual box, and we could put candles in it or plants or anything.
No cameras in it.
I'll show you pictures. And then like a brick wall.
Okay.
They sell panels that is like textured, so it's not like wallpaper. I don't like that whole wallpaper thing.
Okay.
And then we can work on that. I changed the chair that I had because you didn't like the ones that I was sending you, and I put a simpler one. And then I had initially thought of doing the brick in back of the bed, but I thought the brick would go nicer here since we could put frames here and we can't really put frames there.
I really like that, and I love this too. It's really, really nice.
You like it? How do you feel about the lamp?
I love the lamp. I just don't like the fact that it's adding on something else to the wall that's already there.
What do you mean?
Like I already have 4 lights. I don't want to have like another light.
But it's already there. You just need to hang it. Can we try it?
We'll see. I don't know. I'm not sold on the lamp. I think it's beautiful.
Why? If you remove the lamp, there's nothing in the room. Yo.
Okay.
I added 2 tables that are different. Are you okay with that?
I'm okay with having 1 table and then the other side just be a plant.
A big plant?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine too. Yeah. And then I added this lamp. I don't know how you feel about it. I think those are cute.
I'm done for lamps.
Yeah, are you cool with cold?
I'm cool.
Okay, so that's pretty much it.
I really like it. It's super cute.
So to my satisfaction, he actually really liked it, and I was very nervous about the room and how he was gonna react. But I'm very glad that he liked it. The only thing he didn't want in the room was a lamp hanging from the middle. I tried insisting on it, like I insisted on many other things in this project, but that's just one thing that he wouldn't give. which is fine because it ended up coming out pretty nice anyway. So the next step was to kind of find the pieces that we were going to include in this room. For the fireplace, I actually use OfferUp a lot, and I stumbled upon this person selling a fireplace that had a little bit of accents, but for the most part it was very clean lines. And I told him, hey, if we get this for 50 bucks, are you down to purchase it? He said, yeah, but how are we gonna take the little applique off fireplace here? And I told him, don't worry about it, that comes off. So we got that at a steal for only $50. We secured the fireplace. It even had the little light and log thing, which is super cheap. The next step was to kind of find the brick, either panels or wallpaper for an accent wall, and I knew that I wanted it to be 3D. I didn't want it to be flush and just like a wallpaper. I wanted it to be visually interesting and not just flat. So I had in mind some panels that they sell at Home Depot for $35, and he stumbled upon some panels on Amazon that were 3D, and so they're like a foam. And we ended up going with those. It actually came out super beautiful, and they were very easy to work with as opposed to the panels that would have been bought at Home Depot. So these panels were actually purchased from Amazon. If you guys purchase these, make sure you cut them out so that they interlock and it looks more natural than kind of taping them to the wall or sticking them to the wall in square patterns like they come. Next part was finding a rug and finding a chair for the corner. Now I had in mind a wingback chair similar to this. This is kind of like the style that I like. It's a little bit more contemporary, more traditional, but I knew that he wasn't exactly into that, so I was trying to find like a happy medium, something a little bit more modern. We ended up finding this beautiful rust colored chair from Wayfair, and it just so beautiful in that room. The rug we actually found at Ross for $100. I think it's an 8x10, but it's the perfect size for the room. Next to the fireplace and behind the chair, I wanted a piece of art. And we were tight on a budget, but I had been wanting to paint a canvas that I had laying around for quite a while. And I thought, you know what, this person gave me the opportunity to do over their room. They trusted me with my ideas and my work. I'm gonna gift him something. So I took it upon myself to create this painting that kind of incorporated all the colors that we were including in this room, and it came out so nice. And I'm not gonna lie, when I was painting it and even when I had completed it, I doubted. I just didn't feel fully comfortable in how it looked, but as soon as I put it in the room, it looked so good. The paintings behind the bed, he actually did those himself, and those came out spectacular. I'm very satisfied with how the room came out, and I hope that you guys enjoy and like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my videos, please like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.